Hey, welcome back to this channel. For today, I will show you how you can do these kind of things, how to identify your hands, your up fingers, to identify the right hand, the left hand, and put in some cool style, doing some shaka, and some rock and roll, baby. If you like it, keep watching. I show you step by step how you can do the same. Yeah. Okay, well, let's do some code. For this example, we need to use our Visual Studio Code and we'll create a new Python file. And to this example, we need to use some functionalities. The first one is the CV2, that is basically the libraries and the functionalities that allow us to handle all the video processing. And the other one is this one, the Mediapipe, that help us to do all the hand detection. So, well, let's speed it up and see what happened with that. Okay, okay. That was very cool. I think we're done with our code, and well, let's check it out. Well, as I told you, I have at this part the importations for our code. We are using the OpenCV to all the video processings and the media pipe to do the hand detections. At this part, this code basically is setting up our hand detector with some configurations. Well, at this part, we are getting access to the media pipe hand detections features, and at this part we are defining some parameters, but for this part we are setting up a maximum number of hand detection, in this case two, well, because I have two hands only, and the confidence that's it mean that it's setting a solid 70% of confidence threshold. For this part, well, we this help us to visualize all the landmarks, and this initialize the video capturing. And well, for this part, we are defining some functions that help us to identify the hands, and the which hand, if this is the right or the left, and to identify the points of each finger. So this detect gesture, as well, defined with the landmark and the handiness, and we define the thumb um, as a point four. Well, basically it represents the specific point of your hand, that is the dots that the MP plot in in the overlap of the camera image. So we have the thumb with the point number four, the first finger at the point number 8, number 12, 16, and 20, and we defined this empty array to start tracking which finger we're setting up. Well, after that, we defined basically a structure of conditionals, but well, that's simply identifiable if the hardness is the right. Uh, well, the thumb works different, because well, we have for the right hand we have the thumb pointing to that direction, and for the left one in the opposite. So we configure this one with this structure of if and else, and where basically at this part we are checking out the other fingers, yeah, the first finger, the second one, the third, and the fourth. Well, at this part we are doing an append if the finger is up, and well, we are appending a zero um, if the finger is down, and define the gesture, the specific gesture. So I define this one as a shaka and this one as a rock and roll. As you can see, we are defining with the position of the fingers in the number array. So well, uh, as well, finishing that function, we simply return the sum of the fingers of the counter to show in the frame. After that, we'll define another function that basically this is a helper that help us to figure it out how to put the text. And after that, we defined the while loop that basically open all the um, live video capturing and data processing, right? So, well, for that, we start the camera. If there is well, this success is a boolean that identify if the process of opening the camera is correctly. If for some reason, if not correctly, for example, I'm recording this video using this camera and software to record videos, but if I run this one at the same time as recording that video, it will fail because there is another program that is using the camera. That that boolean would be false at this case. But if not, that is the example that I will show you in a couple of minutes. We'll start to flip the image. Well, because it's this is to avoid the mirror effect, and well, just to do it more intuitive. And after that, well, it converted to an RGB image. After that, we are processing the result. uh, well, it's this is only let the media pipe do its thing, but it's basically the hand recognition. And well, we have at this part, they have the an if conditional that basically if we spot any hands, uh, we have time to analyze them. And well, after that, we will have this draw tool that may well call landmarks to points and connections. This part will it's in charge to figure it out if there is a right hand or left hand, and we'll check the the gesture, right? And as we defined, well, the shaka or the rock and roll gesture. After that, we use these couple lines to well, the first one is where to put each label inside the camera image, and the other one is just to create the display text. Well, after that, we are defining the positions and the backgrounds for each label, and after that, well, we define the colors that we will have. If there is a shaka, we are defining as a yellow one, and if this is a rock and roll baby message, we will be in red color. For the other ones, will be in white, and we will put this one in our image. This is basically to do that. And well, this CV dot cycle is to add a little dot for the styling. Well, this one just finishes the code explanation. Will be show the naming of the window, and this is just to quick. If you press this key, they will break the while loop and will finish the process. So yeah, that's pretty much all the code. And well, let's do this. And just to the testing part, when I need to disable my camera from the video recording, and uh, and activate this one by the terminal. Okay, I disable my camera from the video recording program. So to test it, well, let's go to our terminal, and well, the idea is to open your terminal at the same location where you create the Python folder. In this case, I have it in my desktop, so I will type Python hand gesture detector.py. Yeah, and this is start the program, and let's see. Yeah, I'm at this part. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. Yeah, it was pretty cool. Yee. On the other hand, Shaka, the rock and roll, both rock and rolls. Okay, well, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe it. Give me a like to continue this doing this content. And well, have a good day. Yee.